Of course, rice is life. Hi loves, it's Marisol here. I hope all is well. So in today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you my beef caldereta recipe, and here's the ingredients. So I boiled first a water, 5 to 6 cups with peppercorn in it, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 piece of beef cubes. And then you add your beef. I use a beef sirloin, but you can also use beef chuck if you want. I just want the meat tender and soft. Now let's pan fry all the vegetables. Our meat is done. I cook it for about an hour, set it aside, and then save some broth for later. So now saute the onion. When translucent and soft, add the minced garlic. Our garlic and onion is ready. Now it's time to add the beef. And then let's mix it all up. Stir. Just saute it for a minute or two. And then you can add the soy sauce. So soy sauce it's up to you. It's your preference. I just add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So this time, let's pour some broth. I only use 1 cup of beef broth that we saved earlier. But if you want more sauce of your caldereta, you can use 2 cups instead. And then I use 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste. But depending on your taste, so adjust accordingly, okay? It's better to add the salt slowly. So I let it simmer for about an hour in a low heat. And right now there's still juice in it. And I only use 1/2 of the nor cubes, the beef cubes, but you can also use the whole beef cubes if you want. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the tomato paste right now. Just stir it up. It will dissolve eventually. And then after that, I add as well the 1 can of tomato sauce. So right after the tomato sauce, I add also the liver spread. You can use only 2 tablespoons if you want, but I use about 4 tablespoons. It add more taste to it, and it makes your sauce creamier and thicker. After combining all the sauce with the liver spread, add some white sugar and then mix it all up so sugar will get dissolved. And then after that, I add the potato and then let it cook and simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes is up. Let's check. Smells so good. Now let's add the bell pepper and followed with the carrots. The sauce right now, it's getting so creamy. And just mix it all up, all the vegetable. And then after that, let's go ahead pour also the olives. Now olives is totally optional, it's up to you. I just love my caldereta with olives, or you can substitute it with the green peas, so it's up to your preference. And then cover and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright loves, 10 minutes is up. It's time to try it. Let's see if it needs more salt or not. Yep, that tastes so good, but I need a little dash of salt. So that's what I meant to say, add the salt slowly. And then after that, I add the cheese. I actually add more cheese than that, a total of 130 grams. So I use cheddar cheese, Eden brand, it's any brand will do. And then cover and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Yum! Here's our creamy beef caldereta. Can't wait to dig in. So I decided to put a chili flakes, so there's a little kick to it, so that's totally optional. Alright loves, it's taste time. Let's see, I have a little steamed rice in here. Of course, rice is life. The beef is so soft. It's very creamy and tasty, and I love olives. By the way, olives is just optional, okay? And the sauce is so creamy. So it gets creamier because of the liver spread. Some people, they put heavy cream in it, so it's creamier, but this recipe is creamy, it's enough. Alright loves, sorry, my mouth is full. I'm going to finish my meal. I hope you like and learn from this recipe today. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and that really truly means a lot to me. And I hope I'll see you in my next one. Bye!